Hello everyone. So if any of you happen to get an odd icon on your Android's home screen, it's kind of a gray remote icon. This is due to Peel Smart Remote. Essentially what you want to do is uninstall the update and disable the application. So go to settings. At this point you scroll down, so I'm using the phone here at the same time as taking the video. So you scroll down to applications. Go to applications, then you go to application manager. And you just scroll down to Peel Smart Remote. So let's scroll down here in a second. So you want to click on Peel Smart Remote, and at this point you do uninstall updates, click OK, install, and then you hit disable. At this point the application will never update itself and you will never get that annoying icon on the screen. So